Mr. Modi never showed that he had any animosity to me.
He used to get you ice creams also?
Yes. Yeah. And now he knows that I'm gunning for him, and certainly I would like to see him out.
As an economist, if I would want to understand, how would the Indian economy suffer after October?
Indian economy is already suffering. They are claiming 6.5%, 7%. I'm saying it's not more than 4%. It's nonsense.
Nitin Gadkari has been on a toll after the E20.
Yeah,
rollout.
he's getting hard time because these guys will use slow methods to destroy him.
Nitin Gadkari is in this because he is being kept in this position.
Gadkari was told that you'll also be kept out if you speak for Swami. The last time I spoke to him, I said there's only one way, fight all the way or surrender. Modi is the worst thing that has happened to the Indian government. Mr. Modi never showed that he had any animosity to me.
He used to get you ice creams also?
Yes. Yeah. And now he knows that I'm gunning for him, and certainly I would like to see him out.
Do you think Rahul Gandhi will ever come?
No, thanks. Do you think people are going to vote for Rahul Gandhi? Not at all. That guy is an idiot, mentally retarded. It's a finished party.
खत्म बाय बाय टाटा गुड बाय गया
So this Diljit Dosanjh's movie called Satluj, the movie was being taken off by the government after being released.
Yes.
So one section is completely that Bhindranwala is a terrorist. But the
Did he
others
kill those people in the bus?
were asking for Khalistan. Is it like breaking?
He never asked for Khalistan.
Bhindranwala never.
Never asked for Khalistan. It came the newspaper, you believed it. That's all.
I wanted to understand about direct and indirect tax, and that's quite interesting the way you put it out.
If somebody goes to a shop and he gets a price in which he introduces sales tax, the government gets its revenue. Why do you want to do anything else? I'm saying that income tax should be wiped out. There should be no income tax in India.
How will the government earn revenue?
This is one of the things I hear. This is called revolution.
That Dr. Swami can bring.
Immediate.